This duck. Duck happy. Duck life good. Duck like many things. Ooh, duck see good stuff. Yummy bread and shiny pebble. Duck want both, but duck have one beak. Cannot grab bread and pebble same time. Only choose one thing now. Hard choice. Bread fill belly. Pebble look nice. Duck choose. Bread. Bread good. Duck happy with bread. Belly full. Good choice. But no pebble. Shiny pebble gone now. Cannot have bread and pebble. Give up pebble. This important duck lesson. The pebble, the shiny thing duck did not choose. That is the cost of the bread, and not leaves, not money. Cost is the next best thing duck give up. Opportunity cost, idat, what you lose when you choose. Another day, another choice. Duck see yummy seeds, but also pond look fun for swim. Splash, splash. Duck think swim more fun right now. Duck choose swim, very nice. But duck not eat seeds. What duck give up for swim? Seeds. Eating seeds is opportunity cost of swimming fun time. Everything duck do has cost like this. Choose nap. Cost is no play with friends. Choose chase frog. Cost is no eat yummy bug. Always give up something else. Cannot do everything. So remember duck friends, every choice, big or small, you lose the chance for next best choice. Must think, what I give up, is choice worth it? That is opportunity cost. Very important. Quack quack. This video focuses on the core idea of trade-offs and what's forgone when a choice is made, using the simple duck and bread analogy. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up or thumbs